Question 10. On the diagram, mark the point P with a cross so that BAP equals 74 degrees and AP equals 6.5 centimetres. So this is a 2-mark question here. BAP, these are basically the vertices or the points of your shape. So this line has already been done for you. So if I just sketch this out, this is point A and this is point B. So that is the line AB, and that needs to be 6.5 centimetres. Oh, sorry. AP is 6.5 centimetres. So P is the new point you have to draw. So I've got BAP, that could be a triangle now because there are 3 points, that's point P. And the line we need to draw is line AP, which is here. That needs to be 6.5 centimetres. And this line here is kind of like a freebie. We're just going to join that up. So it also says that the angle BAP, so the little hat on there says that's the angle we need, the letter in the middle. So the letter in the middle is A, so that's angle A here. That there needs to be 74 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to start by measuring that angle. So I take my protractor. At point A, I put the centre. So that's right here on the end of the black line. Now I've got the centre at point A. I take the 0 that is on the 0 line. So there's no point counting from this 0 because that's absolutely nowhere near my question. So the 0 I count from is on the 0 line. So I'm using the inside numbers here, and I've got to go to 74 degrees. So here's 70, and then I'm going to count up 4 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that then takes me to 74 degrees here. So I've counted from 0 up to 70 and then another 4. So 74 degrees. And I could then join it up, but I've put a dot there to measure 74 degrees. It then says that this same line has to be 6.5 centimetres. So now I've drawn the dot to say where my line needs to be so that it measures 74 degrees. I'm just going to measure out 6.5 centimetres with my ruler. So I'm going to take this point A at 6.5 here, and I'm going to make sure, so 6.5 centimetres. I'm going to zoom in. You then need to make sure that your line goes through this point to make sure that it's 74 degrees. So I'm going from the end up to the 0. So then that goes from here to here at 6.5 centimetres. So I can just double check this now to see whether it measures 74 degrees. And it does. And this line to see whether it measures 6.5. And it does. So all I need to do now is finish off my triangle. I'm just going to label it quickly. Now the examiner will give you 1 mark if you have 74 degrees. They will give you plus or minus 2 degrees. So if your line measures, if your angle measures 72, 73, 74, 75 or 76 degrees, you'll have the 1 mark for that. They'll also give you another mark if you've got this line correct at 6.5 centimetres. Again, they will give you plus or minus 2 millimetres. So 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6 or 6.7 will give you 1 mark for that question.